here's a question for parents. Could your kids limit their social media time to just 1 hour a day? Well, that's now the law in Virginia. It limits kids under 16 to an hour a day. 7 News' John Gonzalez is digging into the plan and breaking down how this will be enforced. John, it's a question that we all had when we talked about this.
Absolutely. 7 News is on your side, working to get answers as to how enforcement mechanisms will be used once this new law kicks in. We know that it will begin January 1st of next year. That is when social media platforms like TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube will have to verify users' ages here in the Commonwealth of Virginia and automatically restrict minors to a daily limit, 1 hour each day. Now, the law also requires the data used for age checks that it can't be used for anything else, raising questions about how companies will actually enforce this. Now, the law places the onus on social media companies to verify users' ages utilizing commercially reasonable methods such as a neutral age screen to determine if a user is under 16, limit usage, restrict minors' access to that 1 hour per day on their platforms unless there is parental consent. And then there's data usage, ensuring that any data collected for age verification is used solely for that purpose and not for other data processing activities. However, the law does not yet detail specific penalties for those who do not comply here in the Commonwealth. This lack of clarity has also led to some concerns about implementation and effectiveness of the law. For example, a child may find ways to bypass restrictions by using VPNs or creating another false information account. They can also use platforms that may not be covered under this law here in Virginia. 7 News is going to continue to keep an eye on this and check to see how local leaders will continue to evolve this law and, of course, enforce it. Reporting live in Fairfax County, John Gonzalez, 7 News.
Yeah, this could change a lot of things in a lot of households in the Commonwealth.